Complete the square for the following equation. Now, completing the square is applicable for only quadratic equations. Okay, so please take note of this. All right, so let's rewrite that equation, x squared minus 5x plus 1. So the first step is to ensure that x squared has a coefficient of 1, which is indeed true in this case. Otherwise, you will need to factorize. Let's say, for example, it's negative x squared minus 5x plus 1, right? There is the first step, which is to take out negative. And only then you will do CTS to this. Now, that is another example on CTS, completing the square, that we'll cover in future tutorials. So in this case, very simple. You can kickstart your completing the square steps. Put a bracket, put square, put x. And you just follow whatever is here, you divide this by 2. So negative 5 divided by 2 is negative 5 out of 2. The next sign is always a minus. So again, this is divided by 2 for the coefficient. Next sign is always a minus. Minus what? Minus whatever you have put here, right? This numerical value here with the signage. Put it inside this new bracket and put a square to it. Okay? So negative 5 over 2 square, and then a plus 1. Whatever numbers at the end, pump it at the end here. So this becomes x minus 2.5 squared. Minus, again, this is always a minus. Alright? So this will be minus 6.25 or 6 1/4 plus 1. At the end of the day, you're completing the square answer is x minus 2.5 square minus 5 whole 1/4. And this, my friends, is the final answer for the CTS question.